And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 82. Let me show you the difference between font size and scaling. We'll create a simple text element. Let me use Arial Black and I start with 50 and I just call that scale. Once I've got it, I copy this layer right here. I drag the copy down below. And now if we wanted to size it up, we could, for example, use the scale tool. We've already talked about that too in this playlist. Shift S is the short key and you can use it to make things bigger. But you can see we run into a problem because this text now gets kind of blurry. It gets unsharp, and it's because we are scaling up all of these little pixels. A better way to size up your text is the font size. So activate the type tool again, left click on your text, press Ctrl A to select it all. And then you see the font size. And we've got some of the same size here, but the one above where we've used the font size is way sharper. The edges are fine. And the one below, we've used the scale tool. It's blurry. And that's once again because of these pixels. So the scale tool, it just makes the pixels bigger. But when you use the font size, it gives you the text and then adds these small pixels on the edge. And this usually gives you sharper results, better results, and the results that you need. So in general terms, use the font size to size up your text to the size that you need, and don't use the scale tool on text. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.